Hey there, good Friday to you. I'm Charlotte Weather Ranger meteorologist Mike Griffith. It's 1:18 p.m. here on September 2nd. Friday, everybody. Happy wet Friday. Just went out for a drive here around South Charlotte and lots of ponding on the roads, flooding will be likely later on this evening on Friday. Rush hour will be absolutely crazy anywhere in here because of the heavy rainfalls and even some winds. Right now, we're looking at a tornado warning just to the northeast of Columbia, out here somewhere in the sticks, or it could be the suburbs of Columbia. So heads up right there. Right now, it's 1:18 p.m. on September 2nd. So anywhere where Hermine is headed, watch out for the possibility of tornadoes in this area that are spawned by this tropical storm now. As it's weakening, it's over land. Right here is the center of circulation. You can see it on radar just moving into the Georgia-South Carolina state line. We'll continue to track off to the northeast, eventually the east, and offshore, and then up. Now let me show you what I'm talking about right here. By the way, I'm Charlotte Weather Ranger here on Facebook. If you haven't, make sure you go to our page and just give us a like. And we post the YouTube videos here on this page, and also we like to go live often too, especially during situations like this. And you can always see the current situation right here on the cover background photo. Anyway, enough of that. Hope to see you soon. But right here is the H wharf, or the high resolution wharf, or the hurricane wharf, whatever you want to call it. Here it is, right near Valdosta, Georgia, which was earlier this morning, and the system kind of tracks offshore. We're looking at mean sea level pressure, so you can see all these right here in the model. All these rings are isobars, and you know what happens when isobars get packed in close together. It means it gets windier. It's usually windy situations when it's like this. So here we go. Some tropical storm force winds, especially stronger closer to the coast as we go through the day today into the night tonight. Looks like it makes land exit sometime tonight, or maybe it rides up the coast of the Outer Banks of North Carolina as a minimal tropical storm, but then it just moves offshore and blows up again with some upper strength category of tropical storm winds that could extend back into the Hampton Roads and also northeastern North Carolina, including the Outer Banks. And then the system just kind of goes up offshore Delmarva Peninsula and sits there for a while. And the question is, what does it do after that? Now, the National Hurricane Center actually has it doing almost exactly the same thing as the H Wharf. I mean, it was doing a good job bringing it up into the panhandle of Florida a while back, so it's a pretty good model. Here we go. It's supposed to actually develop into a hurricane again, according to the National Hurricane Center, and then degrade itself to a tropical storm. But once it normally gets above 40 degrees north latitude, right here, anywhere getting close to it, and then especially once it's northerly, it becomes an extra tropical system, meaning that it takes on characteristics more of a nor'easter or a mid-latitude low, something that would come down from here in form. So it could be a hybrid tropical nor'easter situation, but once it goes cold core, then it turns into a nor'easter with fronts and all that. So that's the track of Hermine. Yeah, I gotta find out how to pronounce this still. I haven't heard anybody say it yet. And looking like it becomes a hurricane once again after it moves offshore. Okay. So we were looking at the radar here. Again, it's just going to be a very wet day today, wet day tomorrow along the Outer Banks and along the eastern North Carolina, eastern South Carolina. And then this whole rain area kind of just slowly spreads up here to the north. That's pretty much what I have for you right now as far as a tropical update. Again, northeast there of Columbia, there's tornado warning right now still in effect. Okay, everybody, I'll keep it up. Make sure you go to Charlotte Weather Ranger and here on Facebook and give us a like. Thanks a lot for watching.